At Oakfarm College, Kisumu campus, top-quality tutors offer courses in tailoring, woodwork, plumbing, and more, using state-of-the-art equipment and modern facilities. With a focus on hands-on learning, we ensure that students gain practical skills for successful careers. Our affordable courses are designed to equip you with industry-relevant expertise. Enroll now, subscribe to our channel for course contents, and share with friends to begin your journey toward a promising future. Enroll in any on-campus course at Kisumu campus or an online course at our website, oakfarmcollege.com, and enjoy a free startup fundraising course. Learn to craft profitable business ideas, write winning proposals, and pitch with confidence. This course equips you with skills to set up your startup, secure funding, and connect with proven investors with extensive portfolios. Take your startup from zero to peak success with this invaluable training opportunity. If you don't enroll in any of our courses but wish to start fundraising early, you can purchase the Startup Fundraising Course separately at oakfarmcollege.com. This comprehensive course covers creating profitable business ideas, crafting compelling proposals, setting up your startup, mastering top-notch pitching skills, and connecting with proven investors. Gain the knowledge and tools to secure funding and elevate your business from zero to success. Don't wait. Start your journey to entrepreneurial excellence today. Aeroplane design and manufacture involve engineering precision, creativity, and cutting-edge technology to create efficient, safe, and aerodynamically designed aircrafts. The process starts with conceptualizing designs, followed by detailed engineering analysis, material selection, and advanced manufacturing techniques like 3D printing and robotics. Emphasis on fuel efficiency, sustainability, and innovation drives modern aviation. Rigorous testing ensures safety and performance, making aeroplane design a cornerstone of global connectivity and technological advancement. Automotive design and production blend creativity, engineering, and advanced technology to craft innovative vehicles. It begins with conceptualizing stylish and functional designs, followed by engineering for safety, efficiency, and performance. Materials like lightweight alloys and sustainable options are integrated into production. Cutting-edge manufacturing techniques, including robotics and automation, ensure precision and scalability. Stringent testing guarantees durability and safety, making automotive design and production pivotal in shaping modern transportation and sustainability solutions. Computer-aided design, CAD, revolutionizes the creation and modification of designs through digital tools. Used across industries like architecture, engineering, and manufacturing, CAD software enables precise drafting, 3D modeling, and visualization of complex structures. It enhances efficiency, accuracy, and collaboration, allowing designers to test ideas and simulate real-world performance. CAD accelerates innovation, reduces production costs, and ensures superior quality, making it an essential tool in modern design and engineering processes. Customer care and service focus on meeting and exceeding customer expectations by providing support, resolving issues, and ensuring satisfaction. It involves clear communication, empathy, and a customer-first approach to build trust and loyalty. Excellent service enhances brand reputation, encourages repeat business, and fosters positive relationships. Whether through personalized assistance, quick problem resolution, or proactive engagement, customer care is essential for creating exceptional experiences that drive long-term business success. Drone technology refers to the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, equipped with advanced systems for navigation, communication, and data collection. Drones are utilized in various industries, including agriculture, surveillance, delivery services, filmmaking, and disaster response. They offer unique advantages such as remote accessibility, cost efficiency, and precision. With continuous advancements, drones are becoming smarter and more versatile, revolutionizing how tasks are performed and enhancing efficiency across multiple sectors. Electrical installations involve setting up wiring, circuit breakers, outlets, switches, and lighting systems to supply power safely to a building or structure. Key components include the electrical panel, which distributes electricity, and proper grounding to prevent hazards. Installations must comply with local safety standards and regulations, ensuring they are safe and functional. Regular inspection and testing are necessary to verify the system's performance and maintain safety. Fashion design is the art of creating clothing and accessories that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It involves sketching, selecting fabrics, and considering trends, colors, and textures to produce unique collections. Fashion designers blend creativity with technical skills to craft garments that reflect style, culture, and individual expression. The process includes pattern making, draping, sewing, and final fittings, ensuring the designs are wearable and aligned with market demands. Footwear design is the process of creating shoes and boots that combine style, comfort, and functionality. Designers focus on materials, shape, and construction techniques to ensure durability and aesthetics. They consider factors like foot anatomy, fashion trends, and seasonal needs while creating prototypes. Footwear design includes developing patterns, selecting appropriate soles, stitching, and fitting, with an emphasis on innovation, comfort, and the final product's ability to serve both practical and fashionable purposes. Interior design is the art and science of enhancing the interior of a building to create a functional and aesthetically pleasing environment. Designers focus on layout, color schemes, furniture, lighting, and decor to reflect the client's style and needs. They consider factors like space utilization, ergonomics, and acoustics to improve the flow and atmosphere of a space. Interior designers also select materials, finishes, and accessories to ensure cohesion and comfort. Jewelry making is the craft of designing and creating decorative items worn as accessories, such as rings, necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. It involves techniques like metalworking, stone setting, casting, and beading. Designers select materials such as precious metals, gemstones, and beads to craft unique pieces. Jewelry making combines creativity with technical skill, requiring knowledge of tools, design principles, and craftsmanship to produce both functional and artistic pieces that reflect personal style. Leadership and business management involve guiding and organizing resources to achieve organizational goals effectively. Leadership focuses on inspiring and motivating teams, setting a vision, and fostering a positive work culture. Business management encompasses planning, organizing, and overseeing operations, ensuring resources are used efficiently to meet objectives. Key skills include decision-making, strategic thinking, communication, and problem-solving. Successful leaders and managers drive growth, adapt to challenges, and create a cohesive environment that encourages productivity and innovation. Marketing and sales involve strategies to promote and sell products or services. Marketing focuses on understanding customer needs, creating brand awareness, and driving interest through advertising, content, and social media. Sales converts this interest into transactions by engaging directly with customers, negotiating, and closing deals. Effective marketing and sales teams align their efforts to reach target audiences, build relationships, and ultimately drive revenue, growth, and customer satisfaction. Nail and hair technology involves the application of specialized techniques and products to enhance the appearance and health of nails and hair. Nail technology includes manicures, pedicures, nail art, and artificial nail enhancements, using tools like brushes, files, and gels. Hair technology focuses on cutting, styling, coloring, and treatments to improve hair texture and health. Both fields require knowledge of trends, products, and techniques to provide clients with professional, personalized care. Plumbing is the system of pipes, fixtures, and appliances that distribute water and remove waste in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. It involves installation, maintenance, and repair of systems such as water supply, drainage, heating, and cooling. Plumbers work with materials like copper, PVC, and steel to ensure safe, efficient water flow and prevent leaks or blockages. They also install fixtures, appliances, and ensure compliance with building codes and safety standards. Reverse engineering is the process of analyzing and deconstructing a product or system to understand its components, functionality, and design. This technique is often used to replicate, improve, or troubleshoot existing products, software, or hardware. In manufacturing, it helps recreate or enhance designs when original plans are unavailable. In software, reverse engineering can involve decompiling code to understand its structure or fix vulnerabilities. It aids innovation, compatibility, and problem-solving by uncovering underlying mechanisms. STEM learning integrates science, technology, engineering, and mathematics into a cohesive curriculum that fosters critical thinking, problem-solving, and innovation. It emphasizes real-world applications, hands-on projects, and collaboration to prepare students for the challenges of a technology-driven world. STEM education develops analytical skills, creativity, and adaptability, equipping learners with the tools to excel in fields like robotics, programming, and environmental science while addressing global challenges and advancing technological progress. Tailoring is the craft of making, altering, and repairing clothing to achieve a perfect fit and desired style. It involves measuring, cutting, stitching, and finishing fabric to create custom garments such as suits, dresses, and shirts. Tailors use various techniques like hand stitching, machine sewing, and pattern making to craft unique pieces or modify ready-made clothing. Tailoring requires precision, attention to detail, and knowledge of fabric properties to ensure high-quality, well-fitted garments. Woodwork is the craft of shaping, cutting, and assembling wood to create functional and decorative items. It involves techniques such as carpentry, joinery, and cabinetry, using tools like saws, hammers, chisels, and drills. Woodworkers create a variety of products, including furniture, cabinets, flooring, and sculptures. The process requires skill in measuring, sanding, finishing, and assembling to ensure durability, precision, and aesthetic appeal. Woodwork combines creativity with craftsmanship to produce beautiful, practical items.